Now, today we will observe how to install PyCharm. So PyCharm is an IDE. PyCharm is an IDE. It's integrated development environment. Now let's say how to work with PyCharm. So if you want to install PyCharm, first what you have to do is we have to type in Google. You have to type PyCharm. Press enter. Let's observe. Yeah. So just type PyCharm and first option in Google, first option itself you will get it, right? Select. This is your PyCharm. The official version is your PyCharm. So here just select what your download option is selected. Now there is a two options are available. One is called professional version and second one is called community version. Professional and community, two options are available. So community is a free, whereas a professional version is not free. You are going to get 1 month free trial. Okay, yeah, 1 month free trial, but it supports all the features, whereas community doesn't support all the features. So what I'm going to do, I want to download professional version. I'll explain in this video. I'm going to explain how to install professional version. Okay, simple. Here current version is 2021 1.2. This is the current version. I'll go for a little bit old version, other versions. Yes, here observe the previous version is what 2021.1.1 is the previous version. I'm selecting the previous version. I just selected the previous version. Then observe we have an option here. My system is Windows, that's why I'm going for Windows. Professional edition. Download what? Professional edition. Just select this one. Now your PyCharm software is going to download in your system. It takes doesn't maximum if your internet connection is good, it will take maximum 1 minute. So within 1 minute your software is downloaded. Yeah, once your software is downloaded, observe, once your software is downloaded, go to the folder where it is downloaded. Just go to the location here. So just select. So choose what? Show in folder. Choose what? Show in folder. Show in folder. Observe. PyCharm Professional. So 2021.1.1. Now just select this option. Select this option. Select that option, it will ask, do you want to install? Yes, I want to install. Allow the permission, give the permission. Now you will get a window like this. Welcome to PyCharm setup. Select next option. And then here, yes, I want to install in the default location only. Then select next option. And here, yes, you can choose. So if you want, observe, if you want on desktop, if you want shortcut key on your desktop, if you want shortcut key, just give check mark here. On your desktop, if you want a shortcut key here, just give a check mark. Then select what? Next option. And select install. That's it. The software is going to install. Yes, ma'am. It has to fill. Yes. Finish. Now, completing PyCharm setup. Just select what? Finish option. Now select finish. Your PyCharm software installed successfully. If you observe on your desktop, yes, if you observe on your desktop, observe you have an icon called so PyCharm icon. This is your PyCharm icon. The software is installed successfully. Now what I have to do? If you want to work this one, yes, our next step is what? double click this. Next step, what I have to do, double click that icon. We need to do some basic setups in order to work with the PyCharm. We need to do some basic setups. Let's observe. Here it is asking import PyCharm settings. No, I don't want to import anything. Just do not import any settings. Just OK. Select OK. Now, so here it is asking activate PyCharm. If you have the license, you can enter that things. So if you don't have the license, by default it is giving what 1 month trial version, right? So give evaluate for free. Select what? Evaluate for free. Choose this option. Choose this option. Then what I have to do? Yes, select evaluate. See, observe, this version gives you 30 days. Now 30 days from today onwards, 30 days left. Right? Okay, then select continue option. Now select continue option. Yes. When you choose continue option, now you are going to get a menu like this, a window like this. Here, observe, mine is a new project. So it's mine is a new project. So I'm going to develop new project. That's a select what? So new project. Choose an option called new project. First time when you are doing is choose what? New project. And here it is asking the location. That means this location indicates that where you want to store your files, because you are going to do the projects, right? So all your files, where you want to store, which location you want to store. By default it stores in the C drive. If you want, you can keep in the C drive only. No, I don't want to store into C drive. I want to keep into so D drive or some other drive. If you want to store in some other drive except C drive, if you want to store in some other drive, here folder symbol available, right? In this folder symbol, select yes, choose your D drive, select D drive, create a folder, new folder. My new folder name is PyProjects 3. You can give any name. There is no need of giving this name only. You can give any name. I just want to give my name as Projects 3. This is the name I want to give. Okay. Now choose that folder PyProjects 3. This is the folder name, right? PyProjects 3. This is the folder which I created. Okay, so this is nothing new folders. Choose that folder. Okay, that means what? I want to store all my files where in D drive. Under D drive there is a folder called PyProjects 3. One folder is available. In that folder I want to store all my files. This is the first step. We have to do it. Then the second step, what I have to do? So in order to execute your Python program, we need interpreter. We have to add interpreter, right? So here below, previously configured interpreter. Already in our system, we install Python, right? When you have Python already, where the software is available, right? Interpreter is available. That one I want to configure here. The interpreter you have to configure here. So if you want to know that interpreter, first of all you need to know where your software is available. That means the python.exe file is available. You should know that location. So how can I know the location where my python.exe file is available? In the sense, just open ideally in start button, just open ideally here, file, save. When you select save, observe here on the top address bar, observe python 39 is available, right? Beside white color area is available here. Just select one. In this white color box, select. Now all the path is selected. Copy. Control C is a command. Copy or right click and copy. Path is copied. That's enough, man. You can close all this. Now come here. Previously configured interpreter, right? Here three dots are available. Choose these three dots. Again here it is asking, so three dots, choose these three dots. Here what to do? Just to paste. Okay, whatever the path you selected there, is just to paste. C drive user Venkat app data program Python 3.9, right? Under Python 3.9, open. When you open, observe, we have python.exe file. There is a file called python.exe. Yes, select that file python.exe. Okay. And here, give a check mark. Make available to all the projects. Every time I don't want to do, that's why I just give the check mark. Make available to all the project. Okay. Right? Yes. Then create option. Then select what? Create option. Yes. When you choose create option, yes, your IDE is going to ready. It is giving some tips. It is giving some tips. Okay, close. I don't want any tips. Okay, got it. Now what to do here? Now I want to run my first program. First of all, the background I want to change the background theme. Black color is available, right? I just want to change that color. Okay, if you want to change the color, just go for what? File, settings, and the font size also I want to increase. Appearance. So by default, it's a dark color. So I'm going for Windows 10 light color. So when I apply Windows 10 light color, this is the screen. You can choose what? IntelliJ light. Okay, high contrast, your choice. This is IntelliJ light. Your choice, you can choose. But dark color means what? It is also good. Those who like the dark color, you can choose that one. Those who like light color, you can choose this one. I want to increase the font. So editor, go for editor. In editor, choose the font. By default, 13 size is available. I'll make it as what? 18. Apply. Okay. This is your area where you can do the program. Now, first, I want to do the program regarding to OOPS concept. If I want to do program related to OOPS, what I'm going to do? Yes, this is my folder, right? This is my root path. So in this root path, right click. In this root path, what I'm going to do? Right click, then new. I'm creating a directory. OOPS. Because all my OOPS related programs I want to store into OOPS folder. All my control statements related programs I want to store into control statement folder. Like so whatever the related files are available, I want to store into related folder. That's why I created a folder. Right click, new, Python file, example1. I just created example1. Yes, verify whether it is working fine or not. I'm declaring class employee. Declaring class employee. Okay, so def show function. I declared one function called show function. Here I'm just writing print hi message. You can write even only print also. There is no problem. Create an reference even object. Create an object employee of even dot show. That's it. I have a method. I'm just calling the method. Now let's execute. If you want to execute, what to do? Right click here. Then select run example1. Hi miss is getting read. That means your program is working fine. Either you can write the class like this because I mentioned heading as an oops. That's why I write the class program. Or else you can choose one more program I want to do. Right click, new, Python file, example2. I'm writing print Python classes by Venkat Reddy. Python class by Venkat Reddy. Okay, fine, good. Right click, run example2. Python classes by Venkat Reddy. That means your programs are available here. program names, the folder, so the location where the programs are stored, that everything is available here, and your code is available in this area, and output available in this area. Everything will come into the single area, right? This is a way we have to work with what? Your PyCharm. Okay, thank you guys.